Nanotechnology experts are taking their first step into the lucrative nanotech industry here. The 9th edition of Iran's nanotechnology competition saw its awards ceremony in Tehran on Wednesday, where out of over 4,000 participants, 15 students managed to be the winners. The annual competition challenges the participants' knowledge in nanostructures, nanotech applications in water management and environment, as well as commercialization of nanoproducts.
Those who win the competition here have a chance to present their ideas in the upcoming event dubbed Nano Startup. This is amazing that we can have our say in the nanotech market.
Here we have the opportunity to enter the market without having an initial capital. I have to thank the Nanotechnology Initiative Council for organizing such a useful event.
Iran stepped into the realm of nanotechnology around 2 decades ago. In this period of time, the country has managed to climb the global ranking of nanotech to hit the 4th place in the production of nanoscience. The country launched its second 10-year strategic plan in 2016, which focuses on moving nanoscience from papers to the industry. The plan envisages a $10 billion income out of exporting nanoproducts by 2025.
The 4th
rank for Iran is beyond our expected goal for the first 10-year plan. Now we're going to shift our focus from generating science to its commercialization. Such events help students introduce their marketable ideas. This year we exported 18% of our local products to around 40 countries. 2 years ago we exported only 5% of our products.
Currently, Iranian-made nanotech products generate less than $100 million in revenues for the country. Iran's Nanotechnology Initiative Council says a $10 billion income is not an impossible goal if they offer a chance to these young nano minds to have their say. Nanotechnology is referred to as the 4th industrial revolution. Iran's nanotech officials say the emerging fields promise a bright future for the country. They say their ultimate goal is to employ nanotechnology in the country's economy by investing on young talents, like the ones who won this competition. Youssef Jalali, Press TV, Tehran.